Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in our Linux system administration, I'm going to show you how to create a new directory, how to create a new file in a directory that we created, and how to delete a directory or to remove a directory. I am also going to show you how to check memory utilization of Linux system and how to display disk usage of current directory. So now we can start. Follow. So now I'm going to start by showing you the current directories and files that we created in our last previous video. We use rs. As you see, there is continent, father, IT, operating, OS, program, software, FIFA, Opera, operating system, panel, top. These which are in blue color are directories. And Excel, validosave.1, validosave. These are which are in white color files. So now we're going to start by creating a new directory. We use this command, mqdir, for example, computer science. This is our directory, quality computer science. We can see if it is created. As you see, computer science directory is created. So now we're going to go into computer science directory. Change directory, computer science. Computer science. So now we are in a computer science directory. We can create a new file. We use touch for creating a new file. We can create Python file. So let us see if our Python file is created. rs. So our Python file is created in a computer science directory. So now we can go back to our home directory. So now we are going to try to delete computer science directory. We use rmdir, remove directory, computer science. So now, as you see, we are going to try to delete computer science directory, but this command will not work because our computer science contain a file. You are going to see remove directory rmdir failed to remove computer science directory is not empty. Directory not empty. So you cannot delete directory that contain a file by using rmdir directory. You can't delete a file. You can't delete a directory that contain a file by using rmdir directory. So now you have to change directory that can you change directory computer science. So we can delete our file that are contained in computer science directory. In order to delete the computer science directory, we have to delete a file called Python in computer science directory. So in order after we can delete computer science directory. So now we can use rm for deleting Python file. So now our directory is deleted or is removed. So now we are going to change to home directory in order to delete computer science directory. So now we are going to proceed to delete computer science directory. So now we use rmdir computer science. So now our command rmdir, now it is not going to fail because our computer science directory haven't anything. There is no file that it contains. As you see, our directory is now deleted. There is no computer science directory you are working. So in order to delete a directory that contains a file directory, we use rm minus r capital letter, our directory name. So now let us see if, for example, let us create computer science directory again. mkdir computer science. So we are going to create again a computer science directory. As you see, we are going to change directory to computer science. So now we are going to create a file inside the computer science directory. So now we use touch. For example, we can create a directory called Java. Let us see if the directory, the file Java is created. As you see, Java file is created inside computer science directory. So now we are going to change directory to home directory. So now we can list our files and the directory. As you see, we have a computer science directory that contains Java file. So now we are going to delete computer science directory without changing direction. Remember, we used rmdir to delete a directory that contains a file. It failed. So now we are going to use a new command for deleting a directory that contains a file. We use rm minus arrow capital letter. So our directory name, computer science. As you see, now our command is going to delete computer science with its file directory. Our command is going to delete computer science directory with its file called Java inside. As you see, our directory now is deleted. Our computer science directory is deleted. Remember, it was containing Java file. But when we used rmdir, it will fail because rmdir cannot delete a directory that contains a file. We use rm minus arrow caps lock plus for the name. So now I'm going to show you how to check memory utilization of Linux system. So we use free. As you see, we have total used, free, shared, buffer, cache available. So now for our memory, total is equal 997536, used 58, 63, 6, free 81, 20, 76. For swap we have 99, 83, 96. For use is 0. Free 99, 83, 96. So now this is not readable. These are any kilobyte. So now we're going to use human readable. For human readable or for suitable thing that human can read easily, we use a free minus h, stand for human readable. As you see, for memory we have 974 megabyte, and swap we have 974 megabyte. For used, we have 57 megabyte and 0 kilobyte for swap. So for free, we have 793 megabyte and 974 megabyte. M is for megabyte. M stands for megabyte. So now I'm going also to show you how to check disk usage. We use DU. As you see, for Opera software operating system, operating nano, for software has 4 kilobyte. For operating system, 4 kilobyte. For operating, 8 kilobyte. So for looking a directory, disk usage of a directory, we use DU of current directory minus HS. For current directory, we use 116 kilobyte. This is for current directory. But if you need to select a directory, we use DU minus HS and directory name. For example, we can look for operating. So now our operating has 8.0 kilobyte. So guys, thank you for watching. Do subscribe for getting more about Linux administration system. Thank you for watching.